Page 51, halftime show. This is a continuation of what we've been doing with the spaces. We're using the spaces in the treble clef. You need to know the names of them, F-A-C-E. Remember all that junk I did in the previous video. Otherwise, they're not introducing anything new, so let's look this over. It's 2 lines long, but it has a repeat, so it's really 4 lines long. Treble and bass clef, 2/4 time. We're back to 2/4, so there's only 2 beats and a measure. It's got 1/8 notes and half notes. Think we can handle all that junk? We're going 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and for the counting. I'll go ahead and take both hands at the same times because I think we can handle it on this one. And the left hand starts here on middle C, so you're in this position. And the right hand is up here, thumb on F, so we're in F position in each hand. And 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and then the next measure, the right hand plays the A, and you have an F and a C together. 3 notes. 1 and the left hand's tied. You don't play it again. You're hanging on to it, and then go on. Measure 5, and then again both hands together, and the left hand's tied. Then you'd repeat that and could do it all again. As far as articulation goes, they really don't give you any. I suggest you go ahead and put in the phrasing as you feel it. In other words, in this piece, it's like, if you look at the words, it's almost every 2 measures except the last line, it's the whole line. So the first line is like, lift up, and then the last line is all together. So I follow the words, so you see your phrases don't have to be the same lengths. It could be anything. But you put in the phrasing as you feel them, or see fit, or as your teacher sees fit, that's all. Dynamics, F, forte. It's down low in the music like this because the words are in the way. Otherwise it'd be in the middle between the staves. It still applies to the melody, but right now the melody happens to be there. Whatever you think loud is, but when you get to the 3rd measure, the melody's the right hand. This should be soft. Can you play this loud and this soft at the same time? And then loud, and then left hand soft again. See, the melody is loud throughout, and this thing needs to be soft. And that takes time to control, where one hand's louder and one hand's softer, but I'm asking you to just keep trying. It will come eventually, so let's just keep at it. Speed, well, how fast would you sing it? It's on the fast side, but not super, because you're going to sing it. Up the field they come, okay. Let's play it together slowly and make sure we got all the notes and rhythms correctly. I'm not going to do any dynamics. I'm going to play both hands about the same. So I'll give us 2 counts because there's 2 beats and a measure. That's ready, go. Now let's try it together slowly. Ready and go and 1 and 2 and 2 and then repeat 1 and 2 and